Hey, what's up guys? This is the Reviewer A5 and I want to show you a trick on the Galaxy Note 10. The other Galaxy should have it, not too sure, but I know the Galaxy Note 10 and the Galaxy S10 has it. So basically you have the keyboard and you want to translate what you wrote in your language to another one. So as you can see, I am in the text message area. I will click on the writing section. As you can see, the keyboard comes up. You have on the middle right hand corner, as you can see, you have three little small dots. You will click on that, and as you can see, it says translate. You will click on translate. Okay, so on the left hand side, as you can see, you will pick the source of language you're gonna write. Okay, I'm going to leave it in English. And in the right hand side, you would click the target language. And the target language, you have, either way, you have a lot of languages. As you can see, this is a good trick because sometimes you want to write in another language and you don't know. So I'm going to put it in Spanish. Okay, so it'll be English to Spanish. If you want it vice versa, you would click the two arrows and it will go Spanish to English, as you can see. So okay, you will write it there. You won't write it in the enter message. You will write it on here, and then you'll hit done. Once you hit done, it will go into your text message area, as you can see. Hola YouTube, bienvenidos a mi canal, the Reviewer A5. So basically that will be in Spanish. So that's pretty cool. You know, it's good if you want to write in Spanish, or even if you want to write in simple Chinese. So I'm gonna highlight, copy this real quick and paste it right here. So make believe I wanted to write it in Chinese. I write it again. Okay, as you can see, I write it again and I hit done. And as you can see, it will come up in Chinese, the section that can be written. Okay, one more language. Okay, hello, how are you doing today? So we're gonna put that in Chinese. That is in Chinese. And I would just pick another language. I'm gonna put Spanish. Hola, ¿cómo está hoy? See, it's pretty cool. It's a very good feature that the phone have and a lot of people don't know. Well, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.